Hey, baby. What are you doing now? So we just finished our our first full day of feeding out of a bowl. She's doing very, very well. Smartest cat I know, really. And she's learning how to clean herself. Oh, she's just the best cat there is. See? She has certainly carved a spot in our hearts. And she's getting to be playful too. That kind of gives you an idea how big she is. Not very big. But she's growing.